Sophia, did you get new shoes?
Yeah.
Those are nice.
What do they do? Tap tap?
What kind of shoes are they?
Tap tap shoes.
Show me.
Tap tap.
Mommy, this is your phone.
Tap tap.
Nick.
Ha 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 ha.
Wow, you can tap good.
Tap tap?
Tap tap.
Show mommy tap tap.
Tap tap.
Show mommy tap tap.
Can you,
Tap tap.
can you
Look at mommy. Show mommy.
Tap
Let me see.
tap. Tap
Can you pull your phone?
Is that what the shoes do?
tap. Tap tap.
You're a good.
Really shoes ties.
You're a good tapper. Leave them on. Those are little bows, honey. Leave the bows on.
Those ties.
Sophia, what do we get those shoes for?
For get dance.
Yeah? Well, then show me.
Daddy, can you show me
Tap tap.
You're a good tapper.
Tap tap.